Okay, Selena girl. It's giving body. Oh my goodness, look at that lace. It's looking like scalp. So we're about to install this unit from Nadula.com, and I'm going to be wearing their pre-everything 3D body wave lace frontal wig. And I got this wig in 24 inches. So this is what the wig is looking like coming straight out of the package. So it has a roller already set for the bang, and I guess they did this to, you know, keep the bang in shape while it's in transportation. So we're gonna take out the roller and look at the curls in this unit. I'm just gonna run my finger through it because I think I'm gonna recurl it anyway. And let's do a little quick shed test, because you know that's very important when you're getting your wigs, child. So we don't want to walk around looking like a shedding dog. So I got a 1-2 strand, but nothing crazy, because I mean our natural hair sheds on a daily. So as long as it's not like hair falling all over me, I am good with that, and that is not happening with this unit. And it has a really nice bounce to it. So let's get into the construct of this unit. So it comes with the detachable band that's on the inside so that it could be worn glueless. It's basically pulling both sides of the lace so that it lays like flat on your ear tab area. And we also have the original elastic thingamajig that comes in the wigs that you use to tighten so that it could fit snug or loosely on your head. So we're just gonna tighten it just a little bit for now because I want it to fit glueless. So I'm just gonna adjust this part right here just a little bit. Just some edge control. And then we're gonna readjust, make sure all of them edges stay put. Alright, body. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to glue down the flaps, and I feel like I need to tighten it a bit more so it doesn't look high on top. And the thing with wigs, obviously everybody's head shape is different, so don't be alarmed when the wig doesn't look like how it's supposed to as you put it on, because you gotta do the adjustments. You gotta make it your own. You gotta customize it. So the first thing I'm gonna need to do is darken my cap, because my cap is a little bit too light. So we are going to need to put some bronzing powder on this cap. So I'm gonna take it off, put on a bronzing powder. The bangs are a little bit too long for my face shape because it's gonna come all the way down to my eyes, and I need to be able to see just because of the width of my forehead and where my hairline is. Because if I push it back, it's not gonna look natural, and then it's gonna like slide all the way back on my head. So I need to bring it forward to match my hairline, and then do the proper fixations, because we're gonna get this wig together. Okay, we're gonna get it to fit our natural head shape and width and all that good stuff. So let's get into the customization. To bronze, I'm going to use this bronzing powder that I have from L'Oreal, and I have this Real Technique brush, and we're going to go straight in on that lace. This is what our lace is looking like so far. It is so much better, so much darker. It's definitely gonna match better now. I didn't mention in the beginning of the video the back of this wig, so you can definitely wear it up because of how the wefts are laying. So when it goes backwards, the weft is gonna lay so flat, so you could wear this in an updo. To make sure that I'm matching my lace, I'm gonna go in with some of that foundation, or bronzing powder rather, right on the front of my wig cap, just to make sure that it's the same shade of brown. She is sitting. So first I'm gonna cut the bangs a bit because they're a bit too long for me. You want to be very careful when you're cutting. I'm gonna cut little by little. leave this on for like 5 minutes. If I haven't mentioned already, this wig is already layered for you. Like, look at that layering. Oh, this wig is so luxurious. It's giving body. Alright, so I'm gonna take out the band now because I think I'm done with the band. Oh, girl, do you see that? Good googly moogly. No, you gotta have the confidence from the beginning that you can work with the wig. Yeah, I don't make play with curling irons in my face, okay? So shh, everybody shh. Okay, also it's time for the takedown. I'm not gonna be strategic how I'm pulling it down, but you just don't want to be crazy with your pull down. Just let the hair fall. I'm just gonna recurl the front a bit away from my face. Let's take this out. Oh, okay, Selena, girl. Girl, it's fluffy though. Okay, I need to readjust it a bit. I just realized that it's actually detachable. That was very smart of me. So I'm gonna redo it since it's actually smaller. I'm gonna put this back on the right way. And then leave that for like a couple of seconds. Oh, I don't even want to comb it out. Girl, and I put on a little cute blazer for y'all so y'all could see the full look. She's a vibe. Style is supposed to be long bangs, not too long, because if I left it to stay the length it was, it would be too far down here. So what you want to do when you get this wig is to customize it to suit your face. So for this style, since it's curtain bangs, it's supposed to have like a wayward look and not like a straight downward. So you want to shift it to the side like so, and there's your look of fluffy bangs. Now I want to just try a couple of different looks with it for you guys so we could see what we're working with. So I'm gonna do like a claw clip type of vibe. So there you have a cute little half a messy look going on, and it's cute, a cute little vibe. Okay, this is a look. Now y'all tell me in the comments what you think this look is giving. I think I have something in my head, but I want y'all to tell me what you think this wig is giving in the best way. This is giving boss babe. This is your work wig, your out wig. On that Friday night after work, you go for drinks. Oh my goodness, look at that lace. It's looking like scalp. Ooh, let me turn around so y'all can see the back. So this is the end of the video. Let me know what you think about this unit because it is absolutely giving and making my heart flutter because it's such a vibe. Let me know what you think about this unit. I got it in 24 inches. All the details will be in the description box down below. Meet me in the comment section because I wanna know your answers and what do you think of this unit. Everything that you need to know will be in the description, and I'll see y'all beautiful people in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.